Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate yoga bars at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need about 200 grams of dark chocolate, 50 grams of mixed nuts, and 30 grams of seeds. Also, prepare a silicone mold, parchment paper, and a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect bar, so have your kitchen scale ready. This ensures a consistent and delicious result every time. Now, let's melt the chocolate. Use a double boiler over low heat to prevent burning, or microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring each time. Once smooth, gently fold in your mixed nuts and seeds. You can also add a tablespoon of protein powder or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. Mix everything until the nuts and seeds are completely coated in the rich chocolate. This step is crucial for an even distribution of ingredients. With your mixture ready, carefully pour it into your silicone bar molds. Don't overfill them, leave a small margin at the top. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to release any air bubbles, which helps create a smooth, professional finish. Then, transfer the molds to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 1 hour, or until they are completely firm. Patience ensures a perfect snap when you break them. Once fully set, carefully pop your delicious chocolate yoga bars out of their molds. They should release easily. You can wrap them individually in parchment paper or store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or in the fridge for longer. These are perfect for a quick energy boost or a healthy treat. Remember to check the description below for links to ingredients, tools, and other great deals, including that car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.